guys, we're going to be making Vietnamese rice bowls tonight. It's delicious, it's healthy, let's do it. Alrighty guys, let's make the sauce. We're going to keep it very simple. So what you need is about 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, about 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and about 1 large tablespoon of char sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a lime juice, and this is something I'm actually properly measuring. Finally, just 100 ml of water. All right, give it a good stir. Add some salt. And give it a good stir, and we'll put that on a low heat just to dissolve the sugar. And on a low heat, just to dissolve the char siu and the sugar. So that was on the heat for about 2 minutes, and I've just turned that off now. Alrighty, what we have is 400 grams of pork loin steaks. Just chop the pork nice and thin. So just roughly chop the pork nice and thin. The cubes are about maybe 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. Alrighty, next just chop the garlic nice and fine. So once the garlic's roughly chopped, just add that in with the pork. 1 tablespoon of the char siu sauce. Add a nice amount of salt. And give it all a good mix. Alrighty, while the meat's marinating, let's do the veg. Alrighty, so I've just tasted the sauce and it was just missing a little bit of zing, so I've just added 3 tablespoons of regular vinegar just to give it a little bit more zing, just to make it a little bit nicer. And I'm also going to add some chopped up chili into the sauce. Alright, let's cook the pork. Okay, so get a really nice hot pan, add the pork. And give it a good flip. And there you have it, guys. Super easy, super delicious. You can play around with the sauces. If something's not working, just add a little bit more of something else and it'll come out really nice. Enjoy.